I've seen so many people with them. What is
Say
it?
hi. Say hi to our vlog.
Welcome to the USA Pavilion.
Ako, pinauna niyo.
Ikaw nasagot, how about you?
How about you? How about you?
Hi, how many people? Three?
Three.
All right, a happy trio. Excellent. These things are cool. I've seen so many people with them. What is
Say
it?
hi.
Say hi to our vlog.
Welcome to the USA Pavilion. All right, so talk to my colleague. She'll explain to you how our platform works.
Hi.
I just want to use that. Stand still and enjoy the show.
Thank you.
Yeah, just like that.
We hold this truth to be solved, evidence that all men are created equal and they are endowed by their creature. And that they are endowed by a creature with certain unreliable zombie. Zombie. Oh, hi. What is this? Yun ba yung sa Liberty? Yung Liberty.
We should be glad of an opportunity to serve up the invention of
Sa may ano?
Sa may tea.
Statue of the Liberty.
Statue of my tea.
Mighty Mouse.
we continue to carve new courses in every possible as we strive to create a more perfect union.
Ano ba lalaki? Si Muhammad Gandhi.
Hindi, si Kwan yan.
Yung Abraham Lincoln? Ay, sino?
Abraham
Hindi yan, si Abraham Lincoln.
Si Luther Van
Luther Van Gogh.
I'd rather
I'd rather have
have
one times with you.
The dawn of a new nation brought the promise of great freedom. Freedom to dream, explore, and inspire.
Thomas Jefferson, author of the Declaration of Independence and third President of the U.S., owned this. A copy of the Quran? Why is that? Copy siya. Quran. The achievement of one goal should be the starting point of another.
Alexander Graham.
Alexander Graham.
Siya yung unang gumawa ng Graham.
Graham crackers.
Hindi siya rin kumuha ng first store.
Mango
Kaya,
float.
telepono.
Ay,
Edison. Ayos ng LED. Ang hirap niyang gawin.
Conduct business and envision tomorrow.
ganda ng LED.
Very good.
Ah, projection. May ganun.
Project na
3D.
Freedom
3D na
affords
siya.
the bridging distances that had once kept us separated. At the 1893 Chicago World's Fair, Nikola Tesla illuminated the world as audiences witnessed a new technology, the alternating
Maganda
current,
to, hindi tayo naglalakad.
an invention that now
Kaya,
connects the world.
Okay lang.
Modern mobility
Na-save yung energy natin sa
Ford
paglalakad.
Motor Company revealed the Model T assembly line.
Tesla ba?
Was now within reach of
Oh,
many,
Tesla.
bringing the world closer to their home. Mobility was dramatically expanded by the emergence of the jet age. Air travel changed our perspective of the world below as it became more affordable, resulting in a world in which we more readily impacted one another.
Dapat nakaupo tayo.
Of the space age.
Nakaupo ah.
The Saturn V rockets that powered Americans to the moon helped us see our world from afar for the first time, allowing us to witness how beautiful our world is.
Si ano yan ah? Si Apple. People who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. Steve Jobs. Why am I like this? 2007.
with us some details of the industry that mobilize society toward a better tomorrow. Always asking, what's next? Today, mobile technology impacts all aspects of our daily lives. The same tech that powers smart devices is used in ways that were not possible just 10 years ago.
What's next?
As next generation vehicles take to the sky. This autonomous solution will empower a new form of mobility, one that creates opportunities for everyone to determine their own driven by American technology. Breakthroughs that have produced GPS, cloud computing,
different forms to protect biodiversity, predict storms, and even send tourists into space. American companies are launching astronauts in cargo
Ganda ng pagkagawa ah.
International Space Station. The crew have maintained a continuous presence 400 kilometers over the Earth for over 20 years. NASA's Artemis program will inspire a new generation of scientists, engineers, astronauts, and more, landing the first woman and first person of color on the lunar surface. The Artemis program includes the establishment of both the base camp at the moon's south pole and the gateway outpost in lunar orbit. Through the Artemis Accords, the United States will work with our international partners to establish a safe, peaceful, and prosperous future in deep space. Throughout the decade, we will study more of the moon than ever before, learning more about its history and our own home planet. Together, we'll create a future where American technologies and global collaboration fuel opportunity, mobility, and sustainability from the Earth to the moon. And now, far beyond. At this very moment, NASA's Curiosity and Perseverance rovers are conducting experiments that will help us safely set foot on the red planet. The United States has been exploring the Martian surface for 17 uninterrupted years, and our ongoing exploration heralds a new age of space discovery. Together, we'll continue to move forward, inspired by the ideas that unite us, to find solutions to feed the world, cure disease, and create sustainable energy at the home of planet Earth and beyond. All we need to do is look inward, upward, and forward, apply our unlimited creativity and capacity for innovation to the challenges of today and tomorrow. This is life, liberty, and the pursuit of the future.
Lunar touchstones.